Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says unit vector u. So, this is our unit vector. Okay. So, look at this. First, try to understand we have a vector u xi plus yj plus zk, and these guys are talking about unit vector. So can I write x square plus y square plus z square equals 1? Now makes 90 degree. So 90 degree with this vector. So suppose that this is vector a. Okay, and if they are making 90 degree, we can go with like just go with dot product. Okay, because they have given angle as well. So suppose that we have vector u dot vector a. So can I write mod u mod a and then cos 90? Cos 90 means what? Cos 90 is 0. So it will make RHS component 0. Now do u dot a. So I will be multiplied with I, j will be multiplied with j, and k will be multiplied with k. So it is x by root 2 plus 0 plus z by root 2 equals to 0. So can I write x plus z equals to 0? So we got our first equation. Similarly, we guys can use second thing as the angle is 60 degree with this vector. So can I say that vector as b vector? So can I write mod u vector mod b vector and then cos 60? Now simplify things. So I will be multiplied with I, j will be multiplied with j, k will be multiplied with k. So we got y by root 2 plus z by root 2 equals mod u is 1 and mod b. So this vector is b. So root over 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will become 1. So it is 1, and cos 60 is what? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So if you'll simplify things, you will find that you got y plus z as 1 by root 2. Okay, so these are the things. Now we will play with the third component. So it is 120 degree. Okay, now so suppose this is c vector. So vector u dot vector c equals magnitude of u vector magnitude of c vector cos of 120 degree. Okay, so now you know that you will go with I with I, j with j, k with k. So can I write x by root 2 plus y by root 2 equals, now here you will be having 1 and mod c is also 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. So root 1 is 1. And this is cos 120 degree means cos 180 minus 60 means no change. So it will be minus of what? Minus of 1 by 2. Okay, so we got this thing. So can I write x plus y equals minus 1 by root 2? So we got our another equation. Is that okay? Now add all those three equations. Yellow plus blue, yellow plus blue plus pink. पता नहीं क्या है ये. Suppose this is pink. Okay. So if you'll add 0 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is 0. Okay. So you will have 2x plus 2y plus 2z. So you will have x plus y plus z equals 0. So we got another equation which says x plus y plus z equals 0. Now look at this. Since x plus z, x plus z is 0. So if x plus z is 0, don't you think y will become 0? And if y is 0, x will become what? Minus of 1 by root 2. And if y is 0, don't you think that z will become 1 by root 2? Okay, so we got value of x, y and z. So we got our u vector. Okay, now we have u vector, we have v vector. So can you do subtraction? Okay, so our u vector will look like whom? Minus I by root 2 plus k by root 2. So this is u vector. Now we have v vector. V vector is what? ijk. So I by root 2, j by root 2 plus k by root 2. We need what? U minus v mod. So can I write vector u minus v vector as, okay, so first we'll find u minus v. Okay, so can I write minus of 2 by root 2 means root 2i, then minus of j by root 2, then 0. Now its magnitude we need to calculate. So magnitude of u vector minus v vector equals what? Root over minus of root 2 square 2. Then minus of 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2. So it is root over 5 by 2. So this is the required result. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.